Fantom's massive breakout continues to be on fire after breaking out of this price channel that we had been stuck within to the upper side, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold above a key area of support above the 0.6487 and above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart. And the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies above the 0.7405. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also give you key areas of supports that we need to continue holding, basing my analysis on the 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗏 structures. And starting the video here on the 1-hour chart, where we have now seen a break to the upper side of this price channel that we had been trading within, there are very high chances that in the next coming hours we might see another push to the upside and manage to break above the significant highs that we made above the 0.7475. And the moment we manage to break above those highs, then I will be expecting to see Fantom give us a break above the next key area of resistance above the 0.7405. And the moment that plays out with a successful retest, then I will be expecting to see Fantom give us an aggressive bounce, getting us back above the $0.8 in the next coming hours. Also basing my analysis on the 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗏 structures, here on the 4-hour chart, you can all see that from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, where we picked in a 5-wave structure to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.5356, completing the formation of this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And after we fully maximized the area, I was expecting a bounce to the upside in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3 above the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.8041, which is an area that we are yet to fully maximize. And there are very high chances that the moment we manage to break above the significant highs and the significant key areas of resistances, then Fantom is going to give us another push to the upside, getting us back above the 0.8 and also fully maximizing this target area. We also need to have in mind that in case we don't see that push to the upside and maybe the bears take control of the market, then there's a very high chance that the high that we have at the moment above the 0.738 could be the high for this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3, and then we could start a pullback in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 4, whose minimum target areas can be given by pulling the fibs from the lows that we made in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2 to the high that we have at the moment in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that lies between the 0.5924 and the 0.5474, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the chart. So in the next coming hours, in case of any sudden pullbacks, this is the area to watch out for, and we also need to continue holding within the area, see much of a consolidation before we can see a reversal to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 5 in a move that can easily get us back above the dollar mark in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the Fantom chart for the next coming hours. And I have also given you the key areas of supports to watch out for. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.